by 8:30, I had to know him down.
Got a thing. I got black.
And siya closes at 9. I'm God. Like, girl, everything is my girl. Like when I tell you,
Hi. It's your memory. Hi.
Hi, Jel. I miss you, Jel.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, last 2 weeks ko na po.
Yeah, she's leaving. It's a video.
Ano ka mag-simpress? Kamala Harris.
Girl, what are your thoughts
On
Ateneo?
It's a bubble.
What are your thoughts? Thoughts on
Messi.
Ateneo?
Bakit?
It's the
Ayoko
school
ng coin.
which...
Ayoko ng piece of meat actually.
Wala kaming karapatang magreklamo. The place where we belong.
Hey guys, so it's the last day of our lab. I'm gonna miss this lab. I love chemistry. We're logging out of lab.
Yes, in the club we all fat.
In the club, we all pa. So, dapat kasi mag-film kami.
Tsaka si si Aling Abigail.
Happy to serve.
Bonjour. Si Bonjour.
Hello po.
Uy, baguette. Ano pangalan mo? Baka makalimutan kita. Sabihin mo. Je m'appelle Aliteo Mercado. Yes! Yes! Natutunan na po. Hindi ba dapat ang mga nag-lesson namin? Hi guys! We're in Baguio.
Baguio.
We're on the way to Danny's dorm. Dapat mag-film kami ng science ngayon, kaya ang dami kong bit-bit. Pero, nag-back out silang lahat. So, sa Friday na lang. Okay guys, we're waiting for Danny. So, this is my first Ateneo vlog. And naalis na siya. So, first and last.
Gusto ko sana bumili ng standing tickets. Ng 17.
It's currently Wednesday, November 20. Akin lang asawa ko dyan. Maaga na tapos lab namin kasi dapat 2 PM pa. Tapos dapat mag-film kami after. Di ba nabanggit ko kanina? Eh, nag-back out. So, Friday na lang yun.
Ano kakainin mo?
Sa McDo? Gusto ko sana Coke float eh.
Ngayon pa ba sila ng apple face?
Parang wala na nga eh. Guys, please censor. Oh my gosh, guys, mahirap mag-edit ha. Huwag na kayo mag-bother. Are you excited for the new environment? Ganun.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Yun na yun.
That's a very good question. I'm excited for the cold.
For the... Ang init kasi.
Excited lang ako kasi alam ko doon lagi pupunta yung mga artists. So, mas, 17, mas madaming chances doon makita sila.
Mostly Hollywood na kasi mga K-pop. We're gonna wait.
Diba lagi silang nagbe-vlog sa LA? What if one of these...
Wala. Cut. Wait.
Kasi like, what if makita ko si Mingyu doon, diba? What if biglang ibigay niya sa akin yung bike niya?
Sobra na yun. Sobra na. Life of an Atenean, bro.
Kailangan ko malaman na makaka-uwi pa ako.
Hi guys, we're at McDo. We're waiting for our order and super gutom na kami. Kanina pa siya nanonood ng edit.
Di ba sabi natin 1 hour na walang ganun?
Hindi naman ako nag-agree doon eh.
Whatever.
So ayun, it's 2:35 and ang pogi ni Mio. Actually, dapat mag-grocery kami ni Danny muna. Pero tinaman si Danny, so bagsak namin McDo. And for sure, after McDo, uwi na kami. Hindi na namin siya masasama. Kala ko may filming kami ulit ngayon. Pero wala pala. So, sayang yung costume. Tapos na kami kumain. Mag-grocery tayo para may content ako.
Sige. I-judge nyo yung mga choices.
Okay, mag-isip tayo. What if sa loob ng grocery may tumbling burger?
Tara. Actually, kami mga nagdo-dorm, halos doon kami kumain.
What if may phone? Di ba na, baka may nakatala dun sa toilet. birthday ni Dani.
Tagal, no? Ang tagal. Tagal mo. Combi.
Ay,
Ang dami mong picture, Dani. May pang-dump ka na.
resibo, Rivi. Tingnan mo. This is for my own good.
Say hi.
Bonjour.
Me and Danny, Liam will film for camp today, and I'm getting shy. There's a lot of people, but yeah, we're here. I have no class now. Like, that was my first and last class today. It's Friday, November 22. Here's the 31 was my first and last class. I have no class na because I'm done with PE and I'm done with French.
Lang man sana, pero it's staggered. Ay, sunod-sunod.
Hi guys, so we just finished filming,
Opposite.
and these are my fellow groupmates. Charot, di kami ganyan ka-sweet. Goodbye. Ikot kami, wala na kaming class.
Titingnan ko. Kumasalan ko. An animal in its primitive habitat, in the state of looking for food, procuring means to ensure that their hunger is satisfied. Ano yan?
Inuman. So we're on the way to Zeus Coffee. Si Liam at Helena. We met Helena, pero may class na sila. And Helena's gonna meet a friend. He's hungry.
I'm always hungry. I'm
Because
more
of his
hungry
man.
than her.
Jollibee! Iko-connect ko sana yung phone ko to edit. Ayaw niya ma-edit. Ayaw niya mag-connect. So, kain muna. Kumain na ako kanina. Pero nagutom ako. Sobrang init. Okay.